Hello friends, today I will present you this tool. You probably know it from the profile picture of my channel. This is 100% original, was made by me from scratch and from scrap. It's made recycling things on my workshop. So, what we have here? Before I present you this, we have to start with the beginning, and I have to present you this tool, who is the grandfather of this amazing tool. Now I will show you how it works. The old tool. So basically this is an active speaker, but with few features added. So this aluminium wall, it's the heatsink of the amplifier, we can see here. So I will show you the schematic. Here we have the power source. Gives us plus 12 volts and minus 12 volts and 5 volts. This MP3 player, signal out. This signal input, this amplifier, output signal for the speaker, and this is the wire for the speaker with protection. So here we have 5 amps 5 volts USB. Let's check it. Here is a 12 volt socket. And I let this space here. Maybe later I can add some different wires or different features. This we have a very cheap and low quality MP3 player. This is the output signal, stereo output signal for this player, and we can take out this signal and we can inject in the amplifier that we want to repair. And this one is the input of amplifier, low signal, low level and high level. This is high, double, and this is low level. Here we have the output from the amplifier. With this output we can test the speakers. If we take this wire out, and this wire is the input for this speaker, but this input is connected to a protection module, and even if we put here 20 volts, the protection will save the speaker. Let's connect. So we can make a lot of things with this tool. As you know, I like to repair and build amplifiers, and this is very useful to me. Now I will show you what we have inside. So now you see this is modular. And now what we have inside. You can see power source. It's made from an old PC power supply. That is the protection module for the speaker. The amplifier, now you can see it, but this is the amplifier, power amplifier. Here we have the connections. Now let's put it back. Here on this card we can put recorded sinus waves, 1 kHz, 10 kHz, and we can use this as a signal generator. Now let's make volume up. I hope that you like this video and this multi-tool. If you think that it is useful to you, please make it your version. Please tell me if you have ideas what can we add here, and please share it if you like it, to reach to more people. Thanks. See you in next video.